Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage flashcards with Quizlet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Quizlet.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Quizlet dashboard. To create a new flashcard set, click on the Create button located in the top right corner. Enter a title for your flashcard set in the designated field. Add a description if desired, to provide context or details about the study material. You can select the privacy setting for your flashcard set from the options available. To add term and definition pairs, click on the Add a Term box. Type your first term in the term field. Then enter the corresponding definition in the definition field below. You can add more terms and definitions by clicking Add a Term again. Repeat this process until you have included all the content you want. To enhance your flashcards, you can choose to add images or voice recordings. Once you're satisfied with your set, click the Save button at the bottom. Your flashcard set will now appear in your dashboard. To study with your flashcards, click on the set you just created. Select Study to access different studying modes. You can choose from options like flashcards, learn, write, and test. Each mode offers a unique way to review the material. If you want to share your flashcard set, click on the Share option. You can copy the link to share it directly or share it via social media. To edit your flashcard set later, return to your dashboard and select the set. Click the Edit button to make changes as needed. When finished, remember to save any updates. Quizlet also allows you to track your progress and performance over time. Take advantage of these features to optimize your study routine. Now, you are ready to effectively manage your flashcards with Quizlet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.